My name is Princess Longalong from Bid 1A, and I'm here in front of you how we will get the sum of the interior, sum of the exterior, each interior angle, and each exterior angle. We were going to solve it. The first can be solved is the hexagon, and it is have 16 sides. Sum of the exterior. The sum of the exteriors have a formula, which is 180 n over minus 2. 180 n minus 2. Here is the formula. Then, bring down 180. N is also known as the number of sides, which is 16. 16 minus 2. Then, 180, 16 minus 2 is 14. Then, 180 times 14 is equal to 2520. 2520. And we will write here in the side of the hexagon, which is the 2520. Next, always remember that the sum of the exterior is always the 360 degree. Then, we will solve each interior angle, which is the formula is 180 and minus 2 is all over a to n. 180 and minus 2 is all over the n. 180 is, we know that n is the number of sides, and 16 minus 2 over n is the 16 already. Then here, bring down 180. 16 minus 2 is 14. Then, over the n, which is the 16. 180 times 14 is 2,520 over 16 is 157.5. 157.5. The answer is 157.5, and we will write here in the side of the hexagon. 157.5 degrees. How to solve each exterior angle, which is the formula is 360 degrees divided by n. 360 degrees divided by n. The n is also known as the 16. 360 over 16. The answer is 22.5. We will going to write here the 22.5 degrees Celsius. 22.5 degrees Celsius. Then, we will going to solve the 17 sides. The formula of the sum of interior angle is also the 180 n minus 2. 180, as we know as n is the number of sides, which is the 17. 17 minus 2. Then bring down 180. 17 minus 2 is 15. 15. As we compute, 180 times 15 is 2,700. 2,700. And here in the heptagon sided, the 2,700. As we all know again, the sum of the exterior is also 360 degrees Celsius. To compute each interior angle is, here is the formula, 180 n minus 2 is divided by n. 180 n is also known the 17 sides, which is the heptadecagon. 17 minus 2 all over the n is 17 also. Bring down 180. 17 minus 2 is 15 over 17. 180 times 15 is 2,700 divided by 17. 2,000 divided by 17 is also 158.82. 158.82. We will write here in the side of the heptagon, which is the 158.82 degree. To solve each exterior angle, 360 over n. 360 over n. N is also 17. 360 divided by 17 is 21.16. 21.16. And here is the answer. Then, we will put the table. 21.16. The next one is octadecagon, 18-sided. Here is the formula, 180 n minus 2. 180. N is also known the number of sides, which is 18 minus 2. 180, bring down 180. 18 minus 2 is equals to 16. 180 times 16 is 2,880. And we are going to write here 2,880. And as we know, the sum of the exterior, we can rewrite here the 360 degree, and we can solve the interior angle. 180 and minus 180 is minus 2, ulit. 80 and minus 2 is all over the n. Then we write 180, n is the 18 minus 2. N is 18 also. 180, 18 minus 2 is 16 over 18. 180 times 16 is 2,880 divided by 18. Then 2,880 divided by 18 is 160 Celsius. We can write here the table. 160. Then, 360 divide n. 360 divided by 18, which is the number of sides is 18. 360 divided by 18 is 20. And each exterior angle is also 20 degrees. Then, the next one is a decagon, which is 19 sides, which have 19 sides also. The formula of the sum of the interior is 180 also. 180 n minus 2. 180. N is the 19. 180. 19 minus 2 is 17. 180 times 17 is 3060. 3060. And we can put here in the sum of the interior. 3060. And we write here in the we always rewrite the 360 for the sum of the exterior. To solve each interior angle, 180 and minus 2 is all over or divided by n. 180, n is also the 19, minus 2, 180, 19 minus 2 is also 17. Divided by the n is 19. 180 times 17 is 3060. 3060 divided by 19. 3060 divided by 19 is 61.05. And we can put here in the table 161.05. To solve each exterior angle, 360 over n. 360 over or divided by 19, the answer is 18.95. For the last one, which is the 20-sided, and it is a octagon. Then, to compute the sum of interior, 180 and minus 2 again, always 180 is also bring down. N is the number of sides, which is the 20 minus 2. 180 bring down. 20 minus 2 is 18. Then, 180 times or multiply by 80 is 3,240. 3,240. Then, we can put on the table. 3,240 is the sum of the interior of icosagon. 3,240. And always remember that the sum of the exterior is always a 360 degree. Then next, to solve each interior angle, 180 and minus 2 over n, or also divided by n. 180 and n is the 20 minus 2. Bring down 180. 20 minus 2 is also 18. Always remember, don't forget to the 20 or the in the lower here. 180 times 18 is 3,240 divided by 20. 3,240 divided by 20 is 162. Then we can put on the table again. 162. Last, for the each exterior angle, which is the formula is 360 over n. 360 n is also a 20, the number of sides, and 360 divided by 20 in 18 degree. We can put again in the table. As you can see, I can write here in the table all of the possible answers while solving the sum of the interior, sum of the exterior, each interior angle, and each exterior angle. And it is the final answers. Thank you. Once again, I'm Princess Longalong from Bid 1A.